Some report about the Xiaomi Pad 6 series of tablet have been around for a long time. So what will be different about this series of models? A few days ago, a digital blogger exposed real spy photo of the suspect new series of Pad. It can be seen that the real camera model of this series of model is very similar to that of Xiaomi 12 series. So according to the previously exposed information, the Xiaomi Pad 6 series will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus processor and is expected to launch in 2023 at MWC Barcelona at the end of February along with Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So a few days ago, the digital blogger broke the news saying a certain flat panel Xiaomi Pad 6 real photo on the internet has a real camera model similar to Xiaomi 12 series. So according to previous revelation, there are two versions of Xiaomi Pad 6 and Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro in terms of performance. The high-end Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro processor is Snapdragon 8 Plus, which is almost the highest feature of Android tablet at present. So the standard variant of Xiaomi Pad 6, the processor is upgraded from the previous generation Snapdragon 860 to Snapdragon 870, which is consistent with the previous Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 inches. So in terms of display screen, it is reported that Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro is expected to use a full screen of 11-12 inches. Both tablets use a 120 Hz high refresh 2.5K AMOLED display screen with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. So in terms of battery life, it is expected that this series of tablet will have a built-in dual cell battery with the capacity of 10,000 mAh and support for 67-watt fast charging. So Xiaomi has officially announced that it will participate in MWC 2023. According to reports, Xiaomi Pad 6 may be officially unveiled at the site with Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and it will expected to be officially launched in March-April 2023 in China. So see you next time. Take care.